everybody, it's Miss Liz. For those of you who don't know me, I am a children's librarian in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and while I am not at the library and stuck at home, I really wanted to do a couple story times for you all. I'm not used to doing story times without a live audience, so I'm just going to try my best. I'm going to start today's video, the first of what I hope is going to be a regular series, by teaching you all a song in sign language that I use for almost every live story time that I do, whether it's at the library or at a daycare or YMCA or somewhere else. And the song is called Hello Friends. Very simple sign. I'm going to start by teaching you all how we do the song. So the first word is hello, and we do that by taking our hand and making a salute. Hello. The next word is friends. We hold up our two pointer fingers and they give each other a hug. So far we learned hello friends. We'll do that a few times and then it's time. We point to our wrist like we have a watch. Time to say, we point to our mouth, say hello. And when we put it all together, it goes like this. Hello friends. Hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. Hello everyone. So today, our first digital story time, I was really excited to see that many publishers have relaxed their copyright rules and allowed educators to read books from home. So I'm really grateful. Today's book is from the Macmillan Publishing Company, and it is called Stop Snoring Bernard by Zachariah O'Hora. Let's begin. Stop Snoring Bernard by Zachariah O'Hora. The book begins at the zoo. Many things on this page. It says the zoo, and we see some balloons and some animals. I see tigers up here. I wonder what will happen next. Bernard loved living at the zoo. Bernard is an otter. See him and his otter friends in the water. Bernard loved mealtime, he loved playtime, and best of all, nap time. Look at all the otters. They sleep in the water floating. Isn't that cool? But there was one problem. Bernard snored loudly like this. One day, Grumpy Giles had had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Somebody else was bothered. Stop snoring, Bernard, said the alligator. Whoa, that was a little scary. Bernard tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work. Stop snoring, Bernard, said the giraffes. Oops. Bernard even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. I think I see the big feet of somebody who might be bothered by the snoring. Stop snoring, Bernard, said the elephants. Oh no, they even squirted some water on his head. Yikes. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place and curled up all by himself and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard and they searched for him all through the night. Bernard, they called. Bernard, where are you? The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats. on the ceiling of the cave. "Excuse me," he said to a bat. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," said the bat. "We were out all night and now we are trying to sleep. So please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't anywhere that he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate. He decided he would have to leave the zoo. But just then, he heard something. Beep, beep! It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "And I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back." So he did. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost happily. "Good night, Bernard," said Grumpy Giles. The end. That was Stop Snoring Bernard by Zachariah O'Hora and the Henry Holt Publishing Company, which is an imprint of Macmillan. Thank you so much for allowing me to read this book. I'm hoping to do a read aloud almost every day while the library is closed, so please tune in to our Facebook page and join me. I apologize for any noise that happens in my apartment because I have a lot of pets and they definitely don't give me peace and quiet. I miss you all that come to the library, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.